Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to talk about MCQ questions on DC circuit part 2. Already I have developed part 1 and I am going to develop part 3 also. These questions will be helpful for GATE examination as well for facing the competitive examinations. Okay, so this is the first question we have. For ideal current source, the internal resistance in. So for ideal current source, we know the, just here, we know the current source is represented like that. This is the current source, clear? And here, this is the, so you can connect the load here. And internal resistance always connected in parallel here, right? This is the source. So if internal resistance always in parallel and very high, infinite, ideally it is infinite. Agar infinite hai matlab it is open circuit, right? So infinite, ideally it is infinite, so it is working as a open circuit. And if it is actual or practical current source, it is very high. Okay, so the ideal current source, the infinite internal resistance there, that's why it is represented, it is replaced by opening it. For 200 volt 200 watt incandescent lamp, the power consumption will increase or decrease as supply voltage decrease. So power consumption P equal to what? V square upon R. क्या होता है? R constant है. For particular lamp, the value of resistance will be constant. इसका मतलब है P equal to proportional to V square. As the supply voltage decreases, what about the power? If this is decreases, the power will decrease with the square of the voltage. So power will decrease with the square of the voltage. So it is decreases, right? That is the answer. I am rubbing it. Question number 3. The current through 5 ohm resistance is, kahan hai current through 5 ohm? It is one loop is there, right? If it is in one loop, what is the value of I? I equal to what? I equal to what? V upon R. What is the value of V? 20 upon what is the value of R? 5 plus 6, 11 plus 9, 20. 1 ampere, that is the answer, 1 ampere. Yes, B is correct answer, right? The voltage across 5 ohm resistance, voltage across 5 ohm, say 5 ohm resistance, so current kitna hai? 1 ampere hai, we got it earlier. So what is the voltage? V equal to what? V across 5 ohm equal to what? I into R. What is I? 1 ampere into R is 5, so it is 5 volt. What is the answer? 5 volt. Yes, C answer is correct, right? So in this way you can solve it. Okay, I'm rubbing it. Okay, next problem, question number 5. Okay, a circuit contains two unequal resistance in series. अगर एक circuit है, it contains unequal resistance in series, R1, R2 in series, right? So voltage drop across both are same? Not possible, because current will be same. In series circuit current will be, series में है ना, तो current will be same. So voltage across both are same? No. Current in both are same? Yes, this is the correct answer. Voltage drop are according to their respective values. Yes, voltage drop across यहाँ पर V1 और V2 will be, it depends on the value of their resistance. Current तो same है, that is also correct. Okay, so B and C both are, yes, this is the correct answer, D. Both B and C are correct, because B is also correct, C is correct, and D क्या बोल रहा है? Both B and C are correct, so D is correct answer, right? Current through 8 ohm resistance is, okay, so this is the, it is not an example of delta. series delta star, because it is not connected. So it is, this circuit will be like this. This is 12 ohm, source is connected here, 100 volt source, right? Or here these two are in series, 8 and 10. So what he is saying, current through 8 ohm resistance, यहाँ का current through 8 ohm, यहाँ का current I, so K. So what is the value of IK? In case of parallel circuit, voltage will be same 100 upon current, यहाँ का निकालना मतलब यहाँ का भी निकालना मतलब 18 में निकालना है, right? So यहाँ का current क्या होगा? V upon R. R is not 8 or 10 or it is 18 complete. Okay, so 100 upon 18. So by using the calculator, 100 upon 18, 100 upon 18, it is 5.55. Yes, D is correct, right? Okay, so I am rubbing it. Okay, question number 7. Sorry, 7. The total current supplied by the source is, okay, same problem I have. So total current supplied by the source is, right? So see here, this diagram, it is like this. 100 volt. This is 12 ohm. This is what? 8 plus 10, 8 plus 10, 18 ohm. Total current supplied. So we got the current through here. You can say 100 upon 12. यहाँ का current मिलेगा. यहाँ का 100 upon 18, दोनों को ऐड कर दो, या एक काम करते हैं, equivalent, find the equivalent resistance of 12 and 18. Equivalent resistance R equivalent equal to क्या आएगा? 12 into 18 upon 12 plus 18, that is 30. So 12 into 18 upon 30. 12 into 18 divided by 30. So I am getting equivalent resistance 7.2 ohm. That is 7.2 ohm. Now what is the value of IV by R? V कितना है? 100 upon R is 7.2. So 7.2 divided by 100 equal to, and take the inverse of it. It is 13.88. 13.88. C answer is correct, right? The Thevenin's, question number 8. The Thevenin's voltage across 2 ohm resistance. 2 ohm resistance. Where is 2 ohm? This Thevenin's voltage across 2 ohm resistance, right? So how to find the Thevenin's voltage? See here. अगर आपको Thevenin's voltage निकालना है तो remove 2 ohm. This is 1 volt. What is the potential of this 1 volt, right? What is the potential of this? We have to find VB. This is VA equal to 1 volt, right? VB निकालना. This is 5 volt. This is 3. This is 2. 1. Okay. So what is the current flowing here? I equal to क्या आएगा? What is I equal to? I equal to what? 5 volt upon 4. Because in this loop resistance is 4, 1 plus 3, 4. So we are getting current equal to 1.25 ampere, right? Okay, so 1.25 यहाँ drop, यहाँ का what is the potential here? 5 volt, right? Potential of this point is 5. यहाँ से यहाँ current आ रहा, तो drop कितना हो रहा है? Drop कितना आ रहा है? 3 into 1.25. That is a drop here, voltage drop here, right? कितना आ रहा है यहाँ drop? Voltage drop across 3 ohm resistance कितना है? 3.75 volt. So VB, what is the value of VB? VB equal to क्या होगा? 5 volt यहाँ का potential, यहाँ drop कितना होगा? 3.75. So 5 minus 3.75, you will get 1.25. So VB यहाँ का potential कितना है? 1.25, right? और यहाँ का potential 1. What is the potential difference here? But this minus this is 0.25. 0.25 answer is correct. A answer is correct. Okay, 8 का A है, right? Okay, so I am rubbing it. Just your concept is clear, you can get it. You can solve the problem, right? Okay. Question number 9. The theorem is 3 ohm. 3 ohms voltage across 3 ohm, right? So same problem we have. I'm just going to here. So पहला step क्या है? This is 2 ohm. This is 1. Sorry. This is 1 ohm. Here 1 volt source is there. This is the potential A point VA. यहाँ we will remove, this is VB, and we are connecting source of 5 volt. We have to find the Thevenin's voltage across 3 ohm resistance. So first remove the 3 ohm, right? So यहाँ का voltage निकालना है. So what is the potential? VB equal to what? VB equal to what? 5 volt. यहाँ का voltage 5 है, तो यहाँ का voltage 5 है, right? What is the potential? यहाँ का कितना है? 2 और ये 1 ohm. So what is the current I is flowing here in this loop? I equal to what? I equal to V upon R. V कितना है? 1 upon R कितना है? 3. Voltage here is 1 volt. In one loop current is flowing, so 3 plus 1 V, okay, 1.3. So what is the VA? VA equal to क्या आएगा? यहाँ का 1 volt, potential of this point is 1, minus यहाँ का drop 2 into 1 by 3, minus 2 into 1 by 3, 2 by 3. In this way you will get 1 by 3 volt, right? 0.333. दूसरा तरीका क्या है? You got I here 1 by 3. यहाँ का वोल्टेज, ये this point connected to ground. So what is the potential of this point? 0. So what is the potential of this point? 1 into 1 by 3. 1 into 1 by 3. तो यहाँ का पोटेंशियल ये आ गया 1 by 3, that is 0.33. या यहाँ ऐसे करो, this potential minus this drop equal to VA. Now VOC open circuit voltage या VTH कितना आएगा? VA minus VB, VB minus VA. VB कितना है? 5 minus VA कितना है? 0.333. तो you will get 4.666 है. 4. Yes, D answer is correct. 9 का D. Okay. 10. The current through 2 ohm resistance. Current through 2 ohm resistance. Current through 2 ohm resistance here. Yes, it is. What is the voltage across here is? 7 volt. 7 by 2 equal to 3.5 ampere. What is happening actually? आप बोलेंगे सर because of this source तो करंट कितना आएगा? 3.5 एम्पियर. बट व्हाट अबाउट दिस सोर्स? पूरा का पूरा करंट यहां से आएगा, पूरा का पूरा का. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी नो वोल्टेज सोर्स आइडियल वोल्टेज सोर्स है. आइडियली इसका रेजिस्टेंस कितना है? 0. आइडियली व्हाट इज द रेजिस्टेंस हियर? 0. क्लियर ना? सो पूरा का पूरा करंट यहां आएगा कि दैट इज 5 एम्पियर. सो व्हाट इज द करंट हियर? 0. So actually here the current is flowing in 2 ohm because of only this source. Okay, so this is what? 3.5 ampere. Otherwise you can do by superposition theorem also. When you do it by superposition theorem, when you consider this source, 7 volt source, this will be open. So what is the current is flowing here? पूरा का पूरा करंट कितना आएगा? 7/2, that is 3.5 ampere. When you consider this source, voltage source will be replaced by shorting it. Shorting it मतलब क्या होगा? पूरा का पूरा करंट यहाँ से आ जाएगा. But current through here 0. So current answer is 3.5. C. और हमको मालूम है the current flowing through any resistance equal to what? जिसका क्रॉस वोल्टेज सोर्स है V by R, that is okay. So 3.5 ampere. Slightly confusing problem is this one, but it is clear. You can do it by superposition also, by Thevenin's also, by any way we will get the same answer. Okay, so question number 10, C answer is correct. Okay, I'm rubbing it. सबसे अच्छा तरीका इस प्रॉब्लम को समझने के लिए you can do it by superposition theorem. It is 3.5. There should not be any confusion. If you have any doubt, my phone number is given. You can talk to me. Okay? 3.5. I'm just going to question number 11. The voltage across 4 ohm resistance. Okay. So here, when you are going to find the voltage across 4 ohm resistance, first of all, you have to find the I. What is the value of I? I equal to V by R. What is the value of V? V कितना है? 40 volt. This is 40 volt, right? 40 volt and 10 volt both are in series. So 40 plus 10, 50 हो गया. Okay, और plus नहीं, sorry, minus, because this polarity is different. यहाँ plus है. This is plus. This is plus. Right, so plus and this plus will be added. 40 plus 10, 50 minus 20, 30 volt upon R. What is R? 4 plus 6, 10 plus 8, 18, 30 by 18. So I'm going to find the current. 30 divided by 18 equal to, I'm getting 1.666. 1.666. Okay, so I got I equal to 1.666. Okay, now what is the question? Voltage across 4 ohm. So current is same. So what is the V across 4 ohm? 4 into 1.666 equal to into 4 into 4. So I am getting 6.666. 6.666. A answer is correct, right? Question number 12. The Thevenin's voltage across 2 ohm resistance. Where is 2 ohm resistance? Yes, this Thevenin's voltage across 2 ohm. So पहला काम क्या करना है आपको? This is removed. When you remove it, this point will be open circuited. So what is the current? I1 निकाल लो आप, and you can find the I2 also here. Find the current I2 here. ये तो open है ना. So what is the value of I1? Voltage across यहाँ क्या है? यहाँ पर 6/10. 0.6 ampere. What is the I2? 6/6 plus 4, 10. 0.6 ampere. So in this circuit 0.6 ampere flow रहा है, यहाँ पर भी 0.6 flow रहा है. What is the VA? VA equal to क्या होगा? यहाँ का वोल्टेज क्या होगा? This is, suppose करो this is connected to ground. तो VA equal to क्या होगा? 0.6 into 6 volt. Sorry, 0.6 into 6 ohm. This one. So यहाँ का करंट कितना है? 0.6 into 6 equal to यहाँ का वोल्टेज आएगा कितना? 3.6 volt. Similarly VB equal to क्या है? यहाँ करंट कितना है? 0.6 into 4 ohm, 2.4 volt, right? So you got VA equal to 3.6, you got VB equal to 2.4. So difference is called as VTH or VOC. VOC कितना होगा? VA minus VB. Yeah, VB minus VA, that is 3.6 minus 2.4 equal to 1.2 volt. That is the answer, 1.2 volt. D answer is correct. Okay, 12 ka. So in this way you can do it. That is the Thevenin's problem. Okay, question number 13, sorry, 13. ठीक. The Thevenin's resistance between point A and B. Thevenin's resistance between point A and B. So we have to find the resistance between A and B. So this is removed, and here we have to find Ri between A and B. For finding the Ri, what we have to do? We have to remove all energy sources. We have to remove all energy sources. How to remove? Voltage sources, it will be replaced by short. Why it is replaced by shorting? Because it is replaced by their internal resistance. Ideally, what is the internal resistance? 0. Okay, voltage source. and we have to find equivalent resistance between A and B. So I told you already in theory, if suppose you are not getting it, so how to do it? Draw a simplified diagram. What is a simplified diagram? We have to find the resistance between A and B here. So take A here, B here, right? Give the name to each junction. This is C, this is C, and this is D. This is D, right? एक ही point है ना? So take C and D also. So what is the resistance between C and D? 0, because it is shorted. So C and D resistance 0. So what is the voltage drop? 0. Potential drop, voltage drop 0. So potential of C and D will be same. Now join A to C, A to C 4, A to C 4, A to D 6, A to D 6, B, this is B point na, B to C 6, B to C 6, or B to D 4, 4. Now you can say these two are in parallel, these two are in parallel, and both are in series. 6 into 4, 24 upon 10, 2.4. This is also 2.4, and both are in series, so it is 4.8. Right? 4.8. Answer is D is correct. This is the way, right? Current through 30 ohm resistance. Where is current through 30 ohm resistance? Here. Current through 30 ohm resistance is, how to do it? Current through 30 ohm resistance. Okay, how to do it? या तो आप KVL से करो, या सुपरपोजिशन से करो, या फिर थेवेनिन से करो, या बाय एनी वे. सो 30 ओम रेजिस्टेंस में निकालना करंट थ्रू 30 ओम रेजिस्टेंस. सो एक काम करता हूं, आई एम गोइंग टू डू इट बाय superposition, Thevenin's theorem. So remove the 30 ohm resistance, right? This is connected to ground, always one point connected to ground. 30 ohm. So KVL से चलो, I am going to do it by KVL. Okay, so KVL से करेंगे तो how many loops are there? Loop 1, I1, loop 2, I2. So what is the current through 30 ohm? I1 minus I2. That is the answer. Okay, so loop 1 क्या है? Current I1 is flowing in 30 plus 10. Loop 1, I am writing the KVL. So I1 is flowing in 10 plus 30, 40 I1. At the same time 30 में I2 है, minus 30 I2 equal to 50. Right? I1 is flowing 10 plus 30, 40 I1. At the same time 30 ohm में I2 भी है, opposite direction. So minus 30 I2 equal to voltage source. वोल्टेज सोर्स माइनस से प्लस क्या होगा? प्लस 50. दूसरा लूप बोलो, I2 is flowing in 30 plus 20, 50 I2. At the same time minus 30 में I1 भी है, माइनस इक्वल टू, दिस इज प्लस, इक्वल टू, करंट इज फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम प्लस से माइनस, minus 20. These are the two equations. Use the calculator, you will get it. That is the simplest way. You can solve the problem by superposition also. You can solve the problem by Thevenin's also, right? So anyway, I am going to do it by KVL. So कितना है? 40. That is the mode. Trace mode. Equation 1, unknown 2. A1 is what? 40. Equal प्रेस करने के बाद I2, B1 is minus 30. Equal प्रेस करने के बाद C1 50. इक्वल प्रेस करने के बाद A2 minus 30, इक्वल प्रेस करने के बाद plus 50, इक्वल प्रेस करने के बाद minus 20. If you press equal, you will get X, means I1 equal to 1.7. I1 equal to 1. Minus I2 equal to, if you press equal, you will get I2 0.636. So I am getting 1.7 minus 0.636 equal to, I am getting around 1 point something, 1.09, right? That is the A answer is correct. Answer is A. A answer is correct. A. This answer. You can try to solve this problem by Thevenin's also. You can try to solve the problem by superposition also. You will get the answer 1.09, right? Okay. Question number 15. The resistance across point A and B. Where is the point A and B? Yes, this is the point A and B. Resistance between A and B. Okay. So I'm going to do it by, this is point A. This is point B. Resistance between A and B, right? यहाँ निकालना है. So just C is not a, here, C is not a junction, it is a corner. So this 20 and this 20. अगर रेजिस्टेंस ए और बी के बीच में निकालना है तो दिस 20 एंड दिस 20 आर इन सीरीज 40. दिस 40 कहाँ कनेक्ट है? बी और डी के बीच में. दिस 20 कहाँ कनेक्ट है? बिटवीन बी एंड डी. सो दिस 20 एंड दिस 40 आर इन पैरेलल. ओके, सो यू विल गेट लाइक दिस. दिस इज 10 ohm, दिस इज ए, दिस इज बी, दिस इज 10 और ये आएगा आपका 40 और 10 का combination. I'm trying to get it. 40 and 20 parallel. So 40 into 20 equal divided by 40 plus 20, 60. So I'm getting it 13.33. 13.33. Now you can say this 13.33 and 10 both are in series because whatever the current is coming same current यहाँ आने वाला है. Yeah, whatever the current is coming same current यहाँ आने वाला है. So 23.33 and this 23.33 and 10 all are in, both are in parallel. Why? Because both are, so 23.33 into 10 equal divided by, दोनों का सम कितना होगा? 33.33 equal to 6.999, that is 7. Yes, C answer is correct. 15 का C. Okay. The resistance across B and C. Where is B and C? B and C. Yes, इन दोनों पॉइंट के बीच में resistance between B and C. Now here at this junction, A is not a junction. A is a corner. So you can observe here this 10 and this 10 both are in parallel. 20 कहाँ कनेक्ट है? 20, 10 plus 10, 20 between B and D. Already 20 is there between B and D. So these two combinations are in parallel. This 20 and this 20 parallel. We know if equal values are in parallel, it is half. So कितना आएगा? 20 and 20 का parallel combination क्या आएगा? 10. This is the B point. This is D point. ये कितना है? 20 और ये क्या है? ये 20 और this is C point. We have to find the resistance between B and C, right? So what we did, पहला ये 10 plus 10 20 in series, 10 plus 10 20 कहाँ कनेक्ट है? B और D के बीच में. This 20 is also connect between B and D, so both are in parallel, equal value in parallel, half 10 आ गया. अभी ये 10 है और ये 20, sorry, 10 and 20 are both are in series. Whatever the current is coming same current यहाँ आने वाला. तो 30 और ये 30 कहाँ connect between B and C के बीच में? This 20 कहाँ connect between B and C के बीच में? So 20 and 30 in parallel. 20 into 30 upon 20 plus 30. So this is 60. 600 upon 50. 12 ohm. Answer is 12 ohm. 12 ohm is B is correct. That is the way. Okay. If you have calculator, you know the formula, you will get it. I am rubbing it. Okay. Question number 17. द ओपन सर्किट वोल्टेज अक्रॉस टर्मिनल ए एंड बी यहाँ पर रिमूव इट, पॉइंट ए और बी ओपन. ओके, सो प्लीज सी हियर, प्लीज सी हियर व्हाट इज द VB. यहाँ का वोल्टेज VB कितना है? -10 बिकॉज दिस इज कनेक्टेड टू ग्राउंड. इसका वोल्टेज कितना है? 0. ये 0 यहाँ से यहाँ राइज हो रहा है ना, माइनस और ये प्लस, तो ऑब्वियसली यहाँ का वोल्टेज कितना है? -10. हमको VA निकालना है. हाउ टू फाइंड VA? लूप कितने? एक ही लूप है ये. तो आई विल गेट द करंट I. व्हाट इज I? V अपॉन R. I कितना है? 40 - 20. वोल्टेज कितना है? 40 - 20 बिकॉज ये पोलरिटी अपोजिशन में है, तो 40 - 20 20 अपॉन R. R कितना है? 15. 10 + 5, so 20 upon 3, 4/3, 1.33 ampere. I got it. Okay, so what is the value of VA? यहाँ का वोल्टेज ड्रॉप V across 10 वोल्ट ड्रॉप, ये इसका अक्रॉस कितना होगा? I into R, 1.33 into 10, 13.3 वोल्ट. मतलब VA I got 13.3. ये जीरो पोटेंशियल यहाँ का 13.3 होगा VA, and VB equal to -10. So what is the VOC? ओपन सर्किट वोल्टेज है, या VTH या VA minus VB कितना है? VA 13.33 minus -10 equal to, you will get 23.33 volt, या 23.3. आंसर इज है, yes, C is answer. Okay, so please your concept must be clear. You can get any problem. If you see, अगर आप फर्स्ट ईयर में पेपर सॉल्व कर रहे हो, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन फॉर 8 मार्क्स. बट अगर गेट में है सो फॉर 2 मार्क्स, और फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में ओनली फॉर 2 मार्क्स और 1 मार्क, नॉट मोर देन दैट, राइट? योर स्पीड मस्ट बी वेरी हाई, सो यू कैन गेट इट. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. द RTH अक्रॉस टर्मिनल A and B. RTH between terminal A and B, remove it, और यहाँ RI निकालना है, so between A and B. Okay, so how to do it? This is shorted, this is shorted, this is shorted. Resistance between A and B निकालना है, so remove all energy sources by their internal resistance. Now this is A, this is B, let us say this is C. इसके अलावा कोई जंक्शन है नहीं, so we have to find resistance between A, B. Simplify the circuit and C यहाँ ले लो. चलो, okay, I am taking here C. बोलो B to C. What is the resistance between B to C? B to C, no resistance. इसका मतलब है B and C will be, just tell me B to C, what is the resistance between B to C? जीरो रेजिस्टेंस. जीरो रेजिस्टेंस मतलब वोल्टेज ड्रॉप कितना होगा? 0. वोल्टेज ड्रॉप 0 मतलब पोटेंशियल ऑफ B and C will be same, so C will be same point. Now बोलो A to C, what is A? A here. C कहाँ है? यहाँ. कितना? 10 ohm. This A to C कितना है? A to C 5 ohm. A to C 5 ohm. Both are in parallel. 10 into 5 upon 10 plus 5. Okay, 50 upon 15, 3.33 I think. Yes, that is the D answer is correct. 18 का D. Okay. Okay. Question number 19. 19, yes. Open circuit voltage across terminal BC here. Remove this 10 ohm resistance and we have to find V potential of BC. So VBC equal to what? VBC equal to what? VB minus VC. आपको ये निकालना है, VB and VC. Potential difference between B, potential of B is VB, potential of C is VC. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस इज द वोल्टेज अक्रॉस BC, राइट? चलो, ये निकाल लेने के बाद क्या होगा? एक लूप ये है, यहाँ करंट I1 है, एक लूप ये है, करंट यहाँ का I2 है. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ I1? V 4 upon 20, 5 plus, okay, 1/5.2 एम्पियर. I2, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ I2? यहाँ का करंट है 6/6 20. Okay, 6 by 20. You will get I2. Now what is the value of V? यहाँ का वोल्टेज कितना है? यहाँ का ये वोल्टेज ग्राउंड है, तो VB कितना होगा? VB इक्वल टू व्हाट? I1 इंटू 15. I1 कितना है? 0.2 इंटू 15. यहाँ का वोल्टेज करंट कितना है? 0.2 इंटू यहाँ का रेजिस्टेंस 15, सो 3 वोल्ट आ गया. I got VB. सिमिलरली VC क्या होगा? VC क्या होगा? 8 इंटू दिस करंट, 8 into what is the current here? 6 by 20, 48 by 20, 48 by 20, I think 48 by 20, I am getting 2.4 ampere, 2.4 volt, 2.4 volt, that is VC. So this is the VC is 2.4, this is 3. So what is the VOC? VB minus VC, 3 minus 2.4. I'm getting 0.6 volt. 0.6 volt. 0.6 volt. A is correct answer. 19 का A. Okay. RTH across terminal BC. RTH equivalent resistance between A and B. Here. Remove this and find RI. So जब RI निकालना है तो क्या करते हैं हम? जितने भी एनर्जी सोर्स हैं, it is replaced by shorting it. वोल्टेज सोर्स है तो replaced by short. करंट सोर्स होता है रिप्लेस बाय ओपन, राइट? सो बिटवीन बी एंड सी. ये बताओ, ये जो 15 ओम है कहाँ कनेक्ट? बिटवीन बी एंड जी, राइट? दिस 5 ओम इज आल्सो कनेक्ट बिटवीन बी एंड जी बिकॉज दिस ए इज नॉट ए कॉर्नर, ए इज ए कॉर्नर, इट इज नॉट ए जंक्शन, एच इज नॉट ए जंक्शन. सो दिस 5 कहाँ कनेक्ट? बिटवीन बी एंड जी. सो 5 and 15 कनेक्ट बिटवीन बी एंड जी. कितना आएगा? 5 into 15 upon 5 plus 15, 75 upon 20, 3.75 ohm. Similarly, this C and F, F और G एक ही है ना? G और F एक ही, okay. This is 15, 8 ohm. और C और F के बीच में कितना है? 12. So 8 and 12 वाला both are in parallel. This is similarly, right ना? So 8 into 12. 8 into 12 upon 8 plus 12, 20. So I am getting it 4.8 ohm. This is 4.8 ohm. Then अभी ये बताओ B और C के बीच में क्या रेजिस्टेंस? These two are in series. So 4.8 plus 3.75. I am getting R equal to 8.55 ohm. 8.55. C is correct answer. These two are not in parallel, these two are in series between B and C, right? Okay, so 8.55. Okay, question number 21. Sorry, 21. The current through 9 ohm resistance. Where is 9 ohm resistance? Yes, this is the 9 ohm resistance. It is very simple. इसके अक्रॉस कितना सोर्स है? 12 वोल्ट. सो क्या है करंट थ्रू 9 ohm रेजिस्टेंस? I through 9 ohm resistance equal to V upon R. 12 upon 9. It is 4 by 3. 1.33. It is very simple problem. B is correct answer. No need to do it. Current will not flow because of this source. When you consider this source, this is shorted. तो पूरा का पूरा करंट यहाँ से जाएगा ऐसा. Clear ना? So be careful about it. Okay. करंट यहाँ फ्लो रहा बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ओनली. पैरेलल में है ना. अभी अगर कोई पूछते फाइंड द करंट थ्रू 10 ओम तो क्या आएगा? 24 वोल्ट 10 के है तो 24 अपॉन 10 दैट इज 2.4. ओके. हो यहाँ आया क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. यस, करंट थ्रू 10 ओम रेजिस्टेंस. करंट थ्रू 10 ओम रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा? इसके कारण इसमें ही फ्लो हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सोर्स. करंट विल बी 24 अपॉन 10, 2.4. ए आंसर इज करेक्ट. लाइक दैट. क्लियर ना? यहाँ का क्या आएगा? इसमें करंट फ्लो हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सोर्स. क्लियर? I'm rubbing it. Okay, question number 23. Right. The RTH across terminal A and B, RTH between A and B. RTH कैसे निकालेंगे? This is replaced. We have to find RI, RTH, right? And this source will be shorted. This source will be shorted. Okay. अगर ये शॉर्ट है तो इसका मतलब है 9 ohm शॉर्ट हो गया. These two in parallel. 9 into 0 upon 9 plus 0 0. This 24 into 10 into 0 upon 10 plus 0. This will also be shorted. अगर ये शॉर्ट है तो ये भी शॉर्ट हो गया, ये शॉर्ट है तो ये भी शॉर्ट हो गया, तो बचा क्या? आर आई बिटवीन ए एंड बी 8 ohm only. This 8. So Ri equal to 8 ohm. D is the correct answer, right? Okay. Question number 24. Current through 8 ohm. Current through 8 ohm. Current through 8 ohm. Okay. Current through 8 ohm. What is the current through 8 ohm? Current through 8 ohm. You can solve this problem by superposition theorem or by Norton's theorem, sorry, by Thevenin's theorem or by KVL. Okay, so current through 8 ohm we have to find. How to do it? Okay, so current through 8 ohm, I can do it like this. This is 24 volt. और ये रिमूव कर सकते हैं आप. क्यों रिमूव कर सकते हैं? वाई? बिकॉज एनी रेजिस्टेंस के अक्रॉस अगर कोई वोल्टेज सोर्स है तो इसको बोलते हैं रिडंडेंट टेक्निक. वोल्टेज इसके अक्रॉस 24 वोल्ट है तो इसके अक्रॉस यहाँ का वोल्टेज क्या होगा? 24 ही होगा ना. तो इफ यू वांट यू कैन रिमूव इट. सिमिलरली ये 12 वोल्ट है, क्लियर. इसके अक्रॉस पैरेलल में 9 ohm है, तो इफ यू वांट यू कैन रिमूव 9 ohm. That is called as redundant. So 24, then this is 8, this is 12 volt, और 8 is 1 ohm. Clear ना? So that is the technique. आप actually क्या है, 24 volt के parallel में 10 ohm है, that is called redundant. If you want you can remove it. Remove करने के बाद यहाँ का voltage 24 पहले भी था, यहाँ का 0 था, तो अभी भी 24 ही है यहाँ का. Okay, this is 8 already is there. यहाँ का वोल्टेज बिटवीन यहाँ का वोल्टेज और यहाँ का वोल्टेज डिफरेंस कितना था? 12 पहले भी था, निकालने के बाद भी 12 रहेगा इधर 1 ohm. So I equal to what? V by R. What is V? 24 and 12 सीरीज में है, that is 36 अपॉन R कितने हैं? 4. 8 plus 1 9. 4 ohm, 4 ampere, sorry, 4 ampere. B is correct answer. B, your concept must be clear. It's को बोलते redundant. अगर एक रेजिस्टेंस वोल्टेज सोर्स के पैरेलल में कुछ भी है, if you want you can remove it. Similarly here, okay. So that is called as redundant technique. I'm rubbing it. Question number 25. 25. The RTH across the terminal A and B. RTH across A and B. Okay. Okay, so no problem. RTH निकालना है तो क्या करेंगे? This will be shorted. This is 2. This is 2. This current source will be 1 ohm, and this current source will be open. Remove all energy sources by their internal resistance. Voltage source short होता है, current source open, और between A and B RTH निकालना है. So start from this end. This 2 ohm and this 2 ohm both are connected at the same point C and D. So these 2 and 2 parallel 1. This 1. This is RI between RTH. 1 and 1 series. So 2 ohm. So RTH is 2 ohm. D is correct answer. Okay. Okay. So this is answer D. 2 ohm. I'm rubbing it. Okay. Okay, so these are the 24 questions we have discussed. This is the answer sheet. You can check your answers. Okay. Now I'm going to develop one more part 3, to clear your concept about the DC circuit. Thank you very much for listening.